Timers in CenarioVR are used to time an activity within a scene. It's important to note that they are not meant to perform the function of a timed event, which is specifically tied to the scene time. In general, timer objects will have actions that are performed when the timer is done counting, either up or down, to its final time. Timer objects can have a tick sound associated with them that plays every second, but be aware that if you assign a sound, it needs to be less than 1 second long, or this will create some very unintended consequences. In the timer style settings, there are many configurable looks, fonts, and colors available. The time is always set by specifying the number of seconds, but can be displayed in either minutes or seconds, depending upon your situation. Each timer object within the scenario will also have an automatic variable associated with it so that you can use its value of that timer to make conditional decisions based on the event that you are timing. For every timer that is created, an associated variable will also be created and given a name that is shown on the properties of the timer. You can act on a timer in the same way you act on media, with play, stop, pause, or set time actions. So in the case of this timer, which is keeping time across multiple scenes, we set the time for the timer when we enter the scene from the time that was saved from a timer on the other scene.